Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is Nowsite's marketing newest add-on. We'll call it the add-on, and it's a feature too, all in one. So this is going to be about Creative Pro and Creative Pro Plus. So as you can see, I'm on this screen right here. And we're going to go over what this is, what this entails, and why it's a feature that I do love. And this is what I've been waiting for. I know I say that almost every time, but I really mean it this time because this makes so much sense. It makes life so much easier. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to dive right into this video and go from there. So as you can see, I'm on this website right here. This is the website to get signed up with Creative Pro, but it's actually an overview of it too, just to let you know what's included and what do you get from everything. So with that, I'm going to start. So you see where it says save goodbye to writer's block, Creative Pro, $27 a month for $60 in services. That's great. So you're paying $27 a month and you're getting $60 worth of services. And then Creative Pro Plus, $54 a month for $130 in services. All AI-powered content optimized by professionals, delivered in 24 hours. And when they say within 24 hours, they do not joke. They mean that. So what do you get? What's all available? Let's say that one. Email campaigns, so email marketing campaigns. That's $60 for 5 emails, $45 for 3 emails, $30 for 1 email. It's kind of that's like a la carte. Blog posts, $50 for 2 blogs, $30 for 1 blog. SMS campaigns, that's what I'll use next. I've already used the email campaigns. I'll tell you more about that one too. $30 for 3 SMS campaigns. What else? Social media posts, $50 for 10 social media posts, $30 for 5 social media posts. And it's catered to what you want. Online ads, $30 for 1 online ads. That's pretty good. So you're probably wondering, well, why is it different prices? So this is on addition to your Nowsite marketing subscription. So this is an add-on. Basically, like I said, this is an add-on. This is that's why I say it's a perk or something like that. It's an add-on. So you can actually purchase on top of your Nowsite marketing subscription. And yes, even if you have Nowsite Marketing Pro, you still can purchase this and get more. And this is why there's a big difference. Yes, Nowsite Marketing Pro, you have your nerds and everything that will do it for you, and you tell them, hey, I want this. This takes it to the next level. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So, and go more into detail about that. So this is the sign up page. So if you want to actually purchase, get signed up for this, you can do that. Excuse me. If you already have Nowsite Marketing, you can do that, and then they'll submit it, and then they'll contact you and get you going with that one. So this is some of the examples and some of the testimonies that we have that was provided from some of the beta testers of the Nowsite Creative Pro. And this is Joel. So he actually had a AI-powered email campaign optimized by professionals. So the email campaign it's created by I wouldn't say a bot, but it's artificial intelligence, and they ask you a few questions and you go from there. And it's pretty cool. And what it does is they contact you, say, hey, give us some information, what we need, and then they go from there. And literally and then they send it off. It creates what it needs to do, sends it to the professionals. Professionals optimize it, and they really do optimize it. I was blown away when I had mine done. So this is some of the examples. I'm not going to read everything because the writing's so small. I'll read his testimony though. He said, I signed up for Creative Pro without hesitation, and when I was chosen to be a beta tester, I couldn't believe it. I am just staring at this email campaign, in amazement. What was produced for me has me blown away. I've been a business owner for years, and I have hired people to write content for me, and this is far better than anything I paid so much more for by a content writer. Wow, just wow. Thank you, Nowsite. That was Joel. Awesome testimony. Great to hear that. And at first I was like, really? Is it really that good? But hey, it's that good. I experienced it myself. This is Melvin Crawley Jr. I'm not going to go over this. This is a video. The sound won't come through the mic that well, but he actually is a copywriter. He does this for a living. One of his businesses that he actually does for as a professional, and they asked him to test it to see how it is compared, and he actually went into detail saying, hey, yeah, this is the real deal, this is good. And he's very he critiques a lot about emails campaigns because he does them himself for big companies and everything. So he was like, this is on point. And the fact that they had a turnaround within 24 hours, he was amazed. So I'm like, that's huge right there. And I was like, oh, okay, that's good, because I actually personally know him. So that I was shocked. Next is a AI-powered email campaign optimized by professionals. Nowsite customers, Jill Welton. So day email 1, email 2, and 3. So day 1, day 2, day 3. So she wrote, I'm so excited to have been chosen to be a beta tester of now. Let's start over. I am so excited to have been chosen to be a beta tester of Creative Pro. Writing an email campaign would have taken me such a long time. I can't believe I actually have I can't believe I actually have a complete system that really does it all. Thank you, Nowsite. Forgive my reading, but we're going for the fly. So yeah, and she's right. I mean, it's an all-in-one system. I couldn't believe it either, but it's amazing. Jill Welton, Creative Pro beta tester. That's her right there. And then this one is Barbara Moody, and I'm not going to do a video because it won't come through again, just like Melvin's. But this is the founder, Justin, and Cheryl, the VP of marketing. This is them saying, hey, let you know about the details about Creative Pro. So amazing product. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what's your take on this? I mean, you're talking about everybody else, but what's yours? So I actually have mine done. And I tell you what, because my biggest issue was I didn't know what to put in the form to describe the company that I would want them to write an email campaign about. And because that's what they start with. And I kid you not, when I finally got the information, figured out what to put in there, the turnaround time was so fast. I was shocked. I literally did it like that evening, and then that morning, I got an email saying, hey, a notification on my phone through my Nowsite marketing app saying, hey, your email campaign is ready. Now, here's the kicker. If you have a Nowsite website already created for that business, whatever, because it's one of the things that they ask for. Say, hey, what's the website that you're going to connect this to? They connect everything together. All you have to do is go in there and verify. Say, boom, 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 it's done. And it was just ready to go. And I was like, holy crap! So I read the emails, and honestly, I was blown away. I literally almost teared up. I was so amazed about how efficient it was. How it read almost like a ad, like a commercial. I was like, holy crap! It's so professional, and like it read great. So, and I honestly believe that it's going to help me just get that information out there and get that conversions like I need, or get people on the phone so I can tell more about it. So. Yeah, I am impressed with the Creative Pro. It's another major update for Nowsite, and I'm telling you, get it. If you have a hard time with writer's block, if you have a hard time, like you're perfectionist and you're like, I don't know what to put on there, I don't know what to say, or you have to go back and do all this, get it, because you have somebody else doing it for you. Makes life so much simpler. You can enjoy time. You can enjoy things that you want to do. You can focus on other aspects of the business. And gosh, gosh, you don't have to be a slave to stressing out on writer's block, and you have to be, kicking yourself in the butt, like, oh, should I do like that, and critiquing yourself. It's done for you. I can't stress enough how important this is. So yeah. So if you have any questions or concerns and you want to know more about this feature, about Nowsite Marketing, please contact me. My number is in the description below. You can hit me on social media. That's my direct line, my cell phone. I will not, right here, it's my direct number. You can text me or call me. Doesn't matter. I will answer unless I'm asleep in the middle of the night. So yeah, guys. Also, do me a favor. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, that big red button below, hit that button, and right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and click all, because anytime I put out any new content, and hopefully you like this content that you just watched, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan the Pod just made a new video. You like this last one. So you may want to check this one out. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this. Hopefully you got some good value. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.